Yo, what is up, guys? Fisherman 290 here, and today I just caught a sheepshead. This is to my rod. Not really big, not very big. Just a little measly sheepshead. I'm going to get it off now. So, okay, these things. I'll give you guys a little bit of a better view once I actually get this thing off. My first sheepshead, I think, without actually using the gloves, so this should be interesting. Well, I might just try to flip this thing. This thing actually might be pretty easy to get out. Let's try to flip this thing. No, that isn't gonna work. Sorry, buddy. But actually, thank you for opening your mouth for me, because that gives me a good place to get this thing in there. And I can knock that on because that is your tooth. Okay, give me that mouth, buddy. Give me that mouth. I can't get a good grip on him because I'm on his tooth. His teeth go too deep in that I can't get the pliers in. Yeah. And like those do almost look like human molars, though. Like, look at this.
Yeah, so guys like this. Check that.
This guy was a little hard for me.
Generally.
Watch out for the spines.
Well, he don't like that, does he?
Probably not.
The old spine.
I tried to flip him, but the hook wouldn't do it for me, so, because it was like twisting into him. So, I remember I was trying those a little bit earlier, a couple days ago, and they wouldn't open.
Oh, it's because you're leaving them out. And they're rusting closed.
Yeah. What is that over there? Is that a mullet? Just did like a triple jump. So, give a good view.
So those teeth they use to eat barnacles.
Mm-hmm.
They crunch the little barnacle things over there.
See ya, buddy. See ya. Thank you.